Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Fitbit Charge 5. This is an advanced fitness and health tracker from Fitbit. This particular device comes with 6 months of premium trial, and there are a lot of other information on it as well. Over here it's written 24/7 heart rate and active zone minutes, stress management score and EDS sensor, heart health notification, built-in GPS for pace and distance, health metrics like breathing rate and SpO2 levels. So to be measuring heart rate, blood oxygen saturation levels, etc. A lot of things. It'll also keep track of all your activities and give you different workouts to do as well. And not just that, this particular fitness tracker comes with up to 7 days of battery life, which is pretty good. Let's open this box and show you what's inside. Be careful not to damage this box. This is what you get inside the box. We have a lot of stuff, but first over here on the box itself we have a couple of information. Here it's written, new to Fitbit, download the app and create an account. In order for this particular device to work, you will have to download the Fitbit app from Google Play Store or the iOS App Store even, and then download it onto your phone and pair the smartphone with this particular tracker. There's some more information over here as well. Now let's take a look at what we have inside the box. This is a quick start guide for this particular fitness tracker. We should read at least once, and a lot of product information in this particular document over here. So let's keep it aside. There are two compartments in this particular box over here. These are basically your straps and all the other added things. There's a charging dock over here. I'm trying to take it out. It's a little complicated. So there you go. This is the charging dock. So this is basically an extra silicone strap for the fitness tracker. There you go. I'll give you a closer look. This is an extra silicone strap for this particular fitness tracker. It's pretty durable and flexible. As you can see, it doesn't break easy. And this is the charging dock for this particular fitness tracker. The idea is that these two metallic nodes will connect to the back of the fitness tracker over here, which I'll show you in a minute. And the other end will be connected to a PC, laptop or a USB-A charging brick. And your device will get charged. Meanwhile, this is the Fitbit Charge 5. I'll quickly take a look if there is anything over here. No, it doesn't seem to be anything here. So this is what the Fitbit Charge 5 looks like. I will open these straps first. So there you go. This is what the Fitbit Charge 5 looks like. It has a pretty large display over here. I'll try to turn it on. Let's see if I can turn it on. No, I think you have to charge it to turn this particular device on. Once again, pretty flexible silicone straps on each side, and has a pretty large dial as well. This particular display is much larger than your standard fitness trackers. These parts are metallic in nature, so it has this very nice metallic chrome finish to it. At the back, this is where you'll find the heart rate monitor, your blood pressure monitor and the SpO2 monitors, all of them put together in one little module right over here. So this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Fitbit Charge 5. Thank you for watching.